Bad news for Bitcoin today, or it is a hidden opportunity for you, my friend. To know exactly what else we're talking about, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. As you see, guys, that weekly candle here, it finished. The Bitcoin give us here a very bad candle here in weekly after that pin bar as we talking about last week when as we told you guys Bitcoin it's look it top up here in the weekly. Look what happened here. Even in yesterday video, that what else we told you, Bitcoin it used to be above 100k. We told you guys there is no problem to take profit. Look now what's happening today. The markets, they are bleeding, guys, and that's just the start. That's just the start. Because here, by the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 300 likes. Guys, I know you can do it, so please, my friend, if you find our content valuable and you are one of those people they selling Bitcoin above 105k with us, make sure to smash that like button which is down. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today we enter two trades. We enter one as swing trading, as you see it here. We put stop loss at 93k, and we enter another short as day trading. The short it's hitting for us the first take profit. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Go click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join, finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down in the description of that video and we're going to solve your problem. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we told you last week. Some people they getting upset about us, a lot of things. You can go to the channel, you enter to the home of the channel, you're going to find the video which is there. That when us we call in the top, we are here exactly after that weekly candle, that one here, that pin bar close like that. We told you guys Bitcoin it top up there. Now here what we got, because here if you're looking with me here in the weekly, we got a big double top, guys. You see it, that one here, and if the market fall down and breaking down here, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping very hard, guys. That number one scenario, why also we call it the top, we explain a lot of things. We call it the top because of that divergence here, that one, that here. We told you guys the Bitcoin it top up. Look at here at 2022, that it's being here the top based on the divergence is the same thing, guys. Let me show you. You see it here, see the one here and the one here and the one here and the one here. It's being the same thing here in weekly. Now, that's the question you need to ask, to where the Bitcoin can fall down, because you need to put even that scenario aside, guys. Yes or no? You got here a zone, guys, at 74k exactly, or 70k here. You see it, that the last high here, that one here is a level. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down to 69k till 70k. That number one scenario. Why? Because you remember that old channel also used to talk about it here a lot here in that channel. As you see it, guys, maybe you're going to fall down to touch the lower of it, then after the Bitcoin to give us a new high. Even that one it's possible, guys. Second scenario, the Bitcoin is going to do like that, like how it happened here, a sideways level like how it happened here before in all those places, and Bitcoin going to stay sideways here, then after that to give us a new high. Even that one it's possible, guys. Let me show you another thing here in the weekly. You're looking with me here in the weekly, guys. What you see, the moving averages, that one here, the 21, the simple one, is it at 87k. If you remember what me I told you till September, the low is at 85k and the top 200k. Even that one it's possible, guys. It might the Bitcoin just going to do a correction to fall down to touch the 20 moving average average here at 87k, then after that to give us a new high. Even that one it's possible, guys, because that 87k, where is it? If you're seeing with me here, is it in the low of those candles here? So maybe we're going to fall down to 87k, then after that to give us a new high. Even that one it's possible. If we came here and we bring in the Bollinger Band in the weekly, what you seeing? The middle of the Bollinger Band, is it exactly at 87k? The low of the band, is it very low and very far at 57k, guys? So what we need to do, either the market going to do like how it done here, fall down to touch the lower here, because if you see the upper and the lower band of the Bollinger Band, it's showing as if they are going to meet up together like how it happened here. Then after that we're going to see what's going to happen, but that is going to take some time, guys. Here in that place it take 8 months. Let's see now what's going to happen here in that zone. So I think I explained everything to you guys here in the weekly. It's look bad, guys. We don't know tell where we can fall down. That's the only things I can tell you. That's why me I tell the people when we reach the daily, I'm going to explain to you everything. Now we're going to see it coming news for all the week, guys. All is going there to see it. Here we are, guys, at the coming news for all the week. Monday, what we got, as you see it here, we got the Eurozone inflation data, USA SP Global Manufacturing PMI, and ISM Manufacturing PMI, and ISM Manufacturing Price. That one, if you remember, we show you last week, we show you about that ISM. If it passed 50, till now we haven't. Even today is going to come 49.3. That means we haven't passed it. So even that one you need to focus about it, guys. When we pass that 50, that's when it's going to start the cycle of US economic. Even that one you need to focus about it. Tuesday, what we got the jolt. Wednesday, what we got, EDP non-farm employment change, SP Global Service PMI, and ISM non-manufacturing PMI, plus crude oil inventory. Thursday, what we got, Bank of England interest rate decision. They are going to cut. Initial jobless claim of USA. Then Friday, what we got, Friday is the most important day for that week. We got average hourly earning, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate. So that's what we got that week, guys. The most important day is it Friday. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here in that channel, guys. Look at it, what it's telling us. Nasdaq closed the day red or started the week red. SP 500 started the week red. Dow Jones started the week red. And all the markets are going to bleed, guys, because the tariff Donald Trump put in Mexico and Canada. Down here, our friend, the VIX. Currency and fair, it's still flat. But let's see Monday candle, what it's going to do to the market. We're going to see the fair and grid, how it's going to be. And also use it every time in our favor. And we're going to see it Bitcoin is doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here's Bitcoin in daily. It closed very bad here. Also, we tell it to you. Remember what also we used to say here about that inside bar. Also, we used to have here. You remember what also we used to say about it? That candle here, it's breaking the lower of that inside bar. The take profit of it is going to be like that, guys. That means we're going to fall down till 93,300 based on the take profit of that inside bar. That means the Bitcoin is going to fall down till it will touch in that low here. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. It's bad moment. Let me be honest with you. But guys, why us? We buy for long term from that low here, and we put stop loss down here, and the take profit of us, we put it here. We buy from there as swing trading, guys, with no high leverage. That's what us we doing every time. Why us we buy? Because you remember in Friday what me I show you about Bitcoin options. I told you 113 and 97k. It meant even if we close here in Friday, we're going to go back inside. That way us we buy as swing trading, guys. Now here for those ones the missing or those ones the are holding Bitcoin for long term, I tell it to you when we are here. I told you to short Bitcoin by 30% of your account and to put stop loss at 110k if you don't want to sell your Bitcoin spot. But people, they don't want to listen. Some people, they came to me, they told me I'm mad. Bitcoin is going to go to 200k. Anyone what he's saying. Now let's see how deep that one is going to go. And from there, also we are going to accumulate in some Bitcoin again because that's our job. Also, we are not here to sell our Bitcoin. Also, we are here to hold in Bitcoin for long term. That how if you want to create wealth. If you just want to day trade, to scalp, I told you what to do. You can join us to make real money with us, but it's up to you, my friend. Now let's going to see something else here in the daily. Here in the daily, guys, you remember what me I told you in yesterday video? I told you if we break in that 50 moving average, next stop is it here, the 100 moving average is exactly at 93,899, and as you see it, guys, also we are going to touch it here. Yes, we got a war here. A lot of people, they try to fight it here, they try to buy, but let's see what's going to happen. Now the zone you need to focus about is that one here. That one here, either we're going to bounce from it again and the Bitcoin to come back to give us a new high. That possible, guys. Second scenario, the Bitcoin from here going to break and we're going to fall down to touch the 200 moving average, which is exactly at 78k, guys, and that one is going to be a disaster to the Bitcoin. That's why also we've been saying, guys, don't buy from the top, don't buy from here, unless if you want to hold Bitcoin for 4 years. You can see that in all our previous videos. I heard a lot of fake gurus online, they're telling you 100k Bitcoin is still very cheap. Yes, it's still very cheap for those ones that want to hold Bitcoin for 8 years, 10 years, but it's okay because even if it dump, they are going to catch it. But those ones, they use a leverage or someone, he got just $1,000. You want him to enter to buy Bitcoin from 100k, and if Bitcoin fall down to 70k, you want him to still hold in it. Another thing, guys, what else we said about that one here? Told it's going to happen like here. It's happened, guys. We told it's going to happen a squeeze. Squeeze now, it's happening. Look at it. But people, they don't like people who giving them high quality value content. No, they like those ones, they're giving them short content. But we don't want to make that video too long. So I think I explained everything. Now it's going to see it. Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in 12 hours, guys. Here in 12 hours, next stop is it here at 93,700. As you see it here, as we tell you that before, levels you need to look at them closer here in Bitcoin. That one where we are now, exactly 95,442. We got that one above here, 102,603. And we got that one down here at 98,108. But those ones, the levels, you can't see them for that week, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the XRP, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Here in the XRP, you remember what me I used to say here. I came and do it like that. You can see it in the past 2 videos I've been analyzing the XRP. I came and show you that one here. That big head and shoulder, that one here. Yes or no? I told you if it's breaking here, you can catch a short. Look at it, guys. Look where you are. You can go back in yesterday video and see it. Before yesterday video, I show you here the double top here. That one here, I told you if it's breaking the neckline of it, enter a short. Look what happened. Now, did the XRP from here going to reverse? At this time, there is nothing here telling you the XRP going to reverse. Actually, I'm going to show you something different, guys. Look with me here. What you seeing? All those moving averages now, they are going to break the 200 moving average. So there is nothing telling you the XRP going to reverse, guys. The only things you can make here now is it like that, like a big megaphone here, like that. Maybe the XRP from here going to come back again. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So I think I explained everything to you here. At this time, there is no entry long here in the XRP, guys. Always if the market give you their price action. So everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Here in the Ethereum, people there with me. Also, we sell here in that peak here exactly. Look where we are. You remember when me I told you I saw a divergence here? You can see all that. And if you remember what me I told you there is no entry long if we don't break that high here. You can go back and see all the past videos. They are that analysis. Now here, what we got? We got here that weekly uptrend here in 4 hours. Plus we got that one down here. That one here, it need the market to come back, because if you came and you connected like that, what you seeing, guys? A down channel. You touch the lower of it here, maybe the market going to come back. Even that one, it's possible, guys. But at this time, you need to wait in a price action telling you the market is going to reverse. Another very important thing here in the Ethereum, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? You remember the 200 moving average, and me being telling you, look at it, how it react to it, the market. Look now where we are. Shall we enter along now, guys? We need a price action here telling us the Ethereum going to reverse. If there is no price action, there is no entry, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's go to see our indicator. We say today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, we touch extreme oversold area. Shall we buy? Me personally, I'm waiting it to touch here, that uptrend here, for me to buy again. But I will start trying to buy a little bit because I don't know what's going to happen in the coming days. But we need at least a price action now because it's too dangerous to buy now. That's my view personally, guys. So I think I explained everything to you. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin, guys, in 4 hours. Here the Bitcoin, it's bleeding today. Look at it, guys. You remember what me I told you here about that uptrend here? I told you if it's getting broke, enter a short. Look at it, guys. Tell where it falls down. You remember what else we used to say? We used to say we got here, that sideways level here, that one, if it doesn't get broke up or down, there is no move. We break it today here. Now, where is the next stop, guys? Either down here, in that low here, because last time we bounced from here. So this time we don't got nothing here telling us the Bitcoin is going to reverse upward, guys. We need to go more with it, because we need to wait that falling knife to find the soil and to start bouncing like that to give us an entry, guys. That's the only things I can tell you, because if you came here and you do like that, guys, what you see in here? A big cup and handle, guys. You see it here? And now it's breaking for you the neckline. Take profit for that one. Where is going to be? It's going to be that low here, 89k, guys. That bad, I know it's bad, but what can we do? Another very important thing here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Look at it, guys. Remember the 200 moving average? Also, we used to bounce from it. We break it today, guys. And look where we are. Now the next stop, as I told you, down here. Between 90k till 89k. Then from there, we're going to see if the Bitcoin going to reverse upward or not. So I think I explained everything to you, guys. Now we're going to see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch extreme oversold area. Technically, people being with me, us from that level we buy. Should we buy now? We don't got nothing here telling us we need to buy, guys. We need to wait a price action. If there is no price action, there is no buying, so we need to wait till the right time. That's the only things I can tell you. Bitcoin now, it's going to break 94k. And me, I told you maybe till down here 90k or 89k, and based on those moving averages showing to us, it's going to go till 87k. So we don't know what's going to happen, guys. I know it's sad moment, but what can we do? So I think I explained everything to you, guys. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here we'll have an enter short from here, but Saturday and Sunday majority of exchanges they being closed. That way also we miss it. We can tell down here. We thinking the market is going to reverse because we got here a downtrend like that. Market came back tell it here. Now also from here we enter a short. It's hitting for us the first take profit now. It's going to hit for us the second take profit. Now also we're moving the stop loss to entry point. Now also we are risk free. We enter the first entry of us. We enter it from here. It's hitting for us the first take profit here. We move stop loss. That candle here kick us because market doesn't got a clear direction. Now what should you do? As you see it, guys, that one here you got now market tried to give you here lower low. As you see it here, also we are in a clear downtrend. You wait in a correction, then you try to catch another entry. Unless if the market give you here a price action indicating the market market is going to reverse, that's another story. But now the market is showing to you is going to fall down more than that, so go with it. Based on our indicators, what they're saying today. That one here, it's being from the top here till down. We are at the extreme oversold area that we may have told you don't follow indicators. That one we used to have here a divergence like that, guys. You remember it, I showed it to you yesterday. But the market doesn't break above for us to enter along. Even now here, we got a divergence here as you see it here from that one and that one, but the market doesn't break above. Actually, with us, we still falling down, and our indicator that one down, it's telling us is only bears who controlling. There is no bulls, so there is no need to go more long when market's still falling. That's what us we doing, guys. So I think I explained everything to you. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button and to write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.